Alright, my name is Cisco Salazar. That's Gary Perry. We got called out by James Johnson to do the Ice Cold Challenge for the MS 150 from Mogus. So here we go.
Okay, guys, so
it's the third flag first. That was the cold one.
Yeah. So here goes my three people. Ruin Versta, Wesley, and
which Wesley? Brody?
Yeah, Wesley Brody, and who else was my last one? Who did I say? No. Ruin, Wesley. Oh, the last one. Well, who else? Who you got?
Well, there were two girls that started this, and they haven't gotten it yet. So I'm calling out Michelle McCrary, Lisa Rodriguez, and my third one is Matt Mogus.
Yeah!
And Carl Shutt.
And Carl Shutt. All right, thanks, guys.
All right, guys.
All right.